Hi everyone. So the Ontario Association for Mathematics Education has a section for financial literacy, and I chose to present on this because recently there's a lot of concern about the low level of financial literacy among our youth and how the Ministry of Education is trying to work with associations like OMI to create lessons and incorporate them in the mathematics curriculum. So if you go under links, resources, grade specific resources, at the very bottom there's the financial literacy resources, which is a collection of lesson plans, financial literacy tools and resources, including technology tools like Excel spreadsheets and Smart Notebook. So the lesson plans consist of several different topics. There's actually four main. It's one is an activity on choosing a charity and doing financial analysis on that. We'll look at that a little bit in detail. There's one lesson on budgeting, one on planning and costing, and then the last one on representing income and expenses. So if I open this, that's basically the four lessons I just kind of went through, and I have the first one open here just to kind of start at the beginning. So this is the lesson plan, and this is like a three-part lesson plan where there's a minds-on activity at the beginning, and then the action, which is the content, and then a consolidation activity. So how it connects to financial literacy: build consumer awareness by analyzing dollars spent by charities on expenditures, the social, ethical, and environmental implications of those decisions, the reflection on their role as citizen, and such things like that. And it uses the mathematics curriculum strands such as number, sense, enumeration, data management, and probability, and so on. And I'll leave it up to you to read this. But anyways, it's a neat little exercise for students to kind of start thinking about real life problems and how it applies to the financial world, and just get a better sense of understanding money and managing money kind of thing. There's something that they call presenter overview, and basically this is just a presentation. It's there, the lady started talking, but it just talks about what the classroom goals are around financial literacy and mathematics, what are some of the lessons focused on and the content. Then it looks at the four lessons and the mathematics expectations for grade 7 and 8. And it goes into describing each lesson in a lot more detail, which is kind of helpful. It also presents professional learning opportunities for teachers. It has some neat PowerPoint presentations, giving background information from the financial literacy expert panel for identifying the need for financial literacy for students, how the lessons may fit in the curriculum, and then there's a few activities around a grade 8 school or class in Scarborough used these lessons, and they entered a contest and they were able to win like $300, which they gave to a charity of their choice. So it's just basically for teachers to become familiar with these lessons and get convinced in teaching them. So back to this, and then there's some professional learning guides, but again, these are just those presentations that I just kind of talked about, as well as activities. And then the grade 9 lessons are slightly on different topics and different math strands. It's on linear relations and non-linear relations, linear systems graphically, and systems algebraically. So again, these are all topics with different kind of content with respect to financial literacy. And yeah, there's quite a bit of stuff here with respect to content and what you can use in your classrooms. So I think this is a great starting point for teachers, for new teachers, to incorporate financial literacy within their lesson plan, and create more examples and as they build their lesson plans and different contents. All right, I hope that helps you. Thank you.